Good morning, everybody, and welcome back to a new episode of Sephiroth and Cypher's channel. Today we will be discussing about the Parasaurolophus from Chaos Theory. So it is a gloomy morning here. Alright, so what we have here is the Dino rivals, Parasaurolophus, and a Camp Cretaceous, the pink one. So this pink one, oh yeah, has a sound. There's the DNA scan. There you go. You cannot move the arms, except you can go left and right. Then this Dino Rivals doesn't have any sound. You just push the button over here. Has a tail swinging action. And this one goes up and down. So this one has no pink color on its legs or the back. Just on the face and the neck. That looks like a peach right there. But anyways, let's go to our main guy. Let's put him aside. We will compare to the new Chaos Theory. This guy. Alright, it has the river sign. It likes hanging out in the river. But I don't think it eats fish. It's a herbivore. Alright, let's get the tail out. Alright, get the tail out. Let's put it in. Oops. Oh, there you go. What? Huh? What the? Okay, so I guess it'll look like that now. It's a different. Okay, so it's a totally different sculpt again. I would say much better. Let's check the sound. Okay, it sounds different from this guy. Yeah, so it has a different sound. The mouth can be open now. Even though same as the Hammond collection, but we don't have it right now. Let's check the sculpt. Very nice. So finally, that the hands are not stretched all the way, unlike this too. As you can see, their arms, it's almost like the same model, but has even the body. At least they changed it now to the newer one. See, it's all straight. Unlike this too, has curves. The older, whoops! Oh goodness, knocked my camera down. Alright, anyways, unlike this too, they have a curve. They just updated this. Almost the same face as well. Oh wow. But the Chaos Theory, totally different. So that's good that they changed it. Alright, let's check the DNA scan. Alright, there you go. So this Hadrosauridae dinosaurs, it's a wild roar. Let's check. We already have these. Alright guys, one sec. Alright, so the next video we will be unboxing the Hammond Collection Therizinosaurus. Alright guys, once again I'd like to say thank you for the support, and don't forget to like and subscribe this video. Thank you so much again guys. We'll see you in the next one. Have a great day. Oh, there's a light. I didn't even know there is a light. Wow. Okay guys, thanks again.